Let's look at this NECO question 2025. The first term of an AP arithmetic progression is 36 and the fourth term is 6. Find the common difference. So to solve this question, this is a question under arithmetic progression, or we say arithmetic sequence. So the first thing we need to analyze the information we are given. So the first term usually represented with what? A. We are given the value to be what? 36. And then the fourth term, so which will be written as A plus 3D. That is fourth term. So if it is second term, it's going to be A plus D. If it is third term, it's going to be A plus 2D. So that sequence, so in that order. So and the fourth term, so the value is 6 as we are given from here. So now we have to find the common difference. The common difference is denoted by D. So that is what we are trying to look for. Let's now solve the question. So we have solution. So the first term and the fourth term. So from the fourth term, we can get the value of D from there. So you have A plus 3D equals 6. Now already we are given the value of the first term, which is A. So that is 36. We substitute that. 36 plus 3D is equal to 6. Now, from here, you can now rearrange and collect like terms. So 36, so will be transposed to this side. We will move to the right hand side. Now we have 3D equals 6. So when this crosses, it's going to be minus 36. And from here now, we have 3D is equals to 6 minus 36. That will give us minus 30. So we can now divide both sides by 3. So D is equals to, so how many 3 can we get in that? So that will be minus 10. So we can see from here the value of the common difference, which is D, is equals to minus 10.